at this guy, just chilling on my windshield. What's up, you guys? Today, the plan is, now that I'm back on schedule, first I gotta get like some provisions, but then I'm gonna get something to eat for, I guess, lunch. Technically, it's almost 11, so like brunch. We'll call it brunch. And then I'm gonna go hiking again, but this time I'm gonna go to this area called the Buffalo National River. And when I was reading about it, like it said that it was like America, like North America, that it was its first national river. So this is pretty exciting for me. I guess it stretches like 130 something miles, and supposedly there's like hiking trails, like a bunch of different trails, and some of them have like waterfalls, or you could like go kayaking supposedly and stuff. So I don't really know exactly what I'm gonna get up to, but I'm so excited nonetheless. So I didn't actually end up going to the Buffalo National River because I didn't realize this, but even after you exit to get there, it's actually like almost 100 miles till you actually get there. So I came to this place called Pettigene State Park, and I don't have a whole lot of information on this, but it was closer. So instead of driving like 120 miles, I drove like 60. So it only took me about an hour to get here. And I'm not even actually to the state park yet, but it said there was like a grave site and an overlook. So I was like, oh, I gotta stop and check this out. Okay, so I got my map in case some shit pops off out here, but when I asked at the visitor center like what there was to do like at this park or whatever, they said that's the thing that people most come for is there's like a waterfall here. And I mean, aside from all the other things that you see on a trail on the way to where you're going, they said that's like the most beautiful thing that they have here. So after looking at this sign, it says Cedar Falls Trail and Canyon Trail, and then there's a bear cave. I don't know if I'm going to have time to do both because it looked like some overcast was coming, but if I have time to do both, I'm going to that bear cave, but I can't pass up a canyon and a waterfall. Hole. I gotta come back for that one. Before I show you, you're welcome in advance. that right there is what's wrong with America. Everyone's always trying to figure it out. I figured it out. All of these people here, look at all these people. And I'm the only one that went underneath that waterfall. The only one. Guys, look at these roots just growing out of those trees over there to stretch down here to get this water. I've never actually seen that, I don't think, but if I was a root, I mean, let's just be real, I would come to a place like this to get water also. So that was a good little over 4 hours in the woods. I had a whole lot of fun. Like, I haven't seen a waterfall since I left Washington, so that was pretty incredible. It was worth every minute of that drive here and back. See what I mean? Every time there's a little bit of rain, people gotta be crazy. Why? Why? Yeah, I was just here picking up some stuff for dinner, and those people that didn't jump in the waterfall, that's what their problem was. But I don't know what these people's problem is that invented these chips. Again, why? I got back and I was just editing today's video, and I realized that I haven't done this in a while, so I'm gonna watch the original Star Wars trilogy. Like Ted says, if you're not trilling it at least once every like 3 to 5 years, you're doing it wrong. I finished through Empire, but the monsters that I drank because I ran out are making me like crash because I'm not used to really drinking energy drinks, I guess. Even though I used to be, but I'm not anymore. Plus I'm probably just really worn out from today, so it's kind of late. So I think I'm gonna go to sleep now, but thank you for coming along with me. I'm so glad I'm able to like get back and do the things that like I really enjoy doing. And don't worry, you're not alone in wondering why every time that I get out to do something, the sun just is not out. But I mean, in all honesty, if you really think that like a few drops of rain and some clouds are gonna stop me from doing things that I enjoy doing, you are horribly mistaken. And actually, that's really good advice to live by. So do that. I'll catch you guys tomorrow. Get out in the world. Do something creative. Later.